Sometimes we need to put a job on hold in Backup Exec 21 because we need to reboot our server and we don't want the Backup Exec job to fail if it's going to be running while we're rebooting the server or bringing it down for maintenance. So it's pretty easy, but you'll have to go into each one of the jobs to do this. And I can look for jobs that are upcoming, scheduled jobs as you see here, and I can expand it and I can right click and choose hold. Now what that's going to do is it's going to put a hold on all of my jobs if I put that at the root level. So we see on hold, on hold, on hold. Now if I want to take it off a hold, I'll uncheck it and it'll come back on as scheduled. And once again, they're scheduled. Now if I want to just have a part of the job on hold, then for instance, I could go to the incremental backup portion and choose to put that on hold, and it won't put everything else on hold because I didn't do it from the top level. So we can see this job alone is on hold, whereas everything else is still scheduled. But again, if you are about to restart a server or bring it down for maintenance, you'll want to go into each one of these jobs at the root level and choose to put them all on hold. And then when you bring everything back up online again, you can go ahead and take them off hold, and then they'll run at their scheduled time. Now, if it's after their scheduled time, but less than 24 hours, then by default, it will start to back up. But if it's over 24 hours and the next job needs to run, it'll just skip that job and report on that job being skipped. So that's how you put a job on hold or off hold in Backup Exec 21 as well as older versions.